Hello, second graders. Let's start in this grammar lesson, which is helping you a lot in writing. There are many different ways to use a comma, and let's learn about them all. First of all, what is a comma? Definition: a type of punctuation used to separate between words or a group of words so that the meaning of the sentence is clear. So if we're using more than two words, we use a comma to separate between those two items or words. And please don't get a comma confused with an apostrophe. So the apostrophe, as I pointed here, it's put on the top, where the commas can be put at the bottom. Here, rule number 1, commas for items in a series. Words, phrases, and clauses in a series are usually separated by a comma to show the reader where one item is in the series ends and the next begins. In the early morning, the lake looked cold, gray, and calm. Cold, comma, gray, comma, and calm. How many adjectives did we use here? We used 3 adjectives, cold, gray, and calm. How can I separate between them? I will put a comma after the first adjective, then a comma after the second adjective, and nothing before the last. So I don't add a comma before the last item or the last adjective or noun or verb. I add commas between the first two and the second one and the word and, but I don't add any commas before the last item. Let's have another example. On the boat, we took extra clothes, comma, fishing poles, comma, and some snacks. So here we use 2 commas only because I can't add a comma before the last item. That's all, and thank you for good listening. The comma is a punctuation mark that is used to separate between more than 2 items, and it will make it clear, it will make your sentence clear when you're writing. You should use the commas if you're using more than 2 items to separate between them. Thank you, and see you next time.